Hello, my name is Francisco Felix, and today we will install the vinyl sliding glass door 5570 and 5470 narrow style. Also, I will show you some of the suggested tools to do this job. As you can see here, I have the main frame and the panels in an OX configuration. I am now going to proceed to safely cut the wrap to unbox the frame. We have here the box with parts and components, the seal, the header, the jambs, the jamb covers, the narrow jamb covers, the header track inserts, screw covers, the seal track insert, the seal screw covers, the seal risers, and the seal end cap. Now we can see here some of the suggested tools to do this job: the appropriate sealant, impact drill, level, snips, tape measure, suction cup, knife, flat screw cover, Phillips screw cover, Phillips screw cover number 3, laser level, mallet, and a block. To recap, I show you how to unbox the main frame kit and the suggested tools. In the next video, we will show you how to assemble the main frame and how to apply the sealant correctly.